Yeah. Oh shit!
Oh wow. We're gonna tip it back over. You guys stay there.
I want to get out and get her out before we tip it.
Okay, that's fine.
All right.
Swear to God, you guys, my neck, everything, it feels okay. Jesus criminy. Baby, hold on, are you okay? Stand for a minute.
I'm fine.
The helmet's over there.
Okay, come here, sweetheart. Don't go too far.
Go ahead and
What's
sit
the
down
matter?
for a second.
We'll get you out. Didn't see that coming. Were you guys watching by chance?
I got part of it on video.
Oh,
I saw the the last.
I saw the end of it because I heard it, and then all of a
just
sudden
got
I had
brought up.
clunk clunk, and I was like, wait a minute, it should sound like clunk clunk.
Yeah, it wouldn't let me steer out
All
of
right,
it.
let's get it over before it comes this way. Okay, so we need.
Oh, roll the
Three
tire off the
tires.
rim.
All of them.
Damn.
Plastic.
All in one.
That was a good one. Yeah, that's kind of a weird spot. It must have just caught
Where
you
were
wrong,
you
huh?
going?
I just coming. We just get this big swooping S, and we're just coming straight down, and all of a sudden, I felt the back kind of loosen. Oh shit! And I couldn't steer back into it. And
I wonder if the tire was already going low or something.
you know, it's funny. We just filled up and checked the tires, and they weren't too full, but they weren't too low. It felt good.
I just caught a rut. I was
That's
just
it.
talking to him earlier about how I've been taking it real easy when I come to ruts because I feel like it's trying to grab and go over.
There's not even a big rut here though.
No.
That was bizarre.
So you're coming up this way.
No, I was coming.
No, you
I
coming
switched
from-
over there, and was at the top of coming down.
Yeah.
And all of a sudden, the ass in was next to me
I
instead of
don't
behind
know
me.
where are your tracks.
I saw
I
it.
see the dig.
That's right where it looks like right where it started to get out.
Oh yeah,
Ooh.
one tire goes off the ground and you start going over.
This is bad.
You just start digging.
Son of a bitch.
Oh, he cracked the arm.
Oh, this
Bent
whole
it.
fucking thing's.
Yeah.
Oh, is it supposed to be bent like that?
Oh,
Might's supposed to be
I
bent
don't
like
think
that.
it's
Nope,
supposed
it's
to be.
not.
Yeah, you're gonna need a whole new A-arm, upper A-arm.
That upper A arm's toast.
Bent
Both
back here,
sides?
too, on this side.
No,
The back.
this side looks like the spring might have hit, but
It's bent back here too.
uh-oh, bent.
Oh, your
Yeah.
control arms.
guys. I'm glad you were.
Yeah, just glad nobody got hurt.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that's the main part.
That's my thing. Oh, this should be places.
Yeah, I just
That's
stopped
bad.
wheeling thinking I don't want to hurt myself over there.
So, like the back end was bouncing.
Now you can see it where it's,
Yeah,
all of a sudden there's no wheel.
It
You
just
see
came
one
out.
wheel
It
and then a
came
wheel.
off. It hit. I don't know.
Yeah,
you
You
can
know what's
try.
funny is we just softened the damn suspension too, right before we came out here. I was like, man, this is too hard.
Now
It's
there's
too
like
rough.
3 wheel tracks. It's like you're missing
Yeah.
a whole fucking wheel track.
Yeah.
See that?
Yeah.
And they all end at different spots.
Yeah.
You all right? Other than
Oh,
me
it's
dragging
all
it
Just
around?
slid out coming up. Must have loaded the suspension weird or something.
As you're rolling, I don't know how many times you rolled. The whole time I'm thinking, oh please,
Looks
don't
like
have any arms
1, 2,
outside. Don't
3,
four,
4,
like
5.
yeah, 4.5 maybe 5. I just saw the last one.
That's about all I saw.
I heard it.
I just heard it, and then I seen it on the side. Not quite sure how we can get this back.
Well, it's gonna have to be flatbedded or towed with a truck, and this is an easy area to get to.
Yeah.